Ready to bring your accounting to the cloud? Switching from QuickBooks Desktop to Online just got a whole lot easier. Here's how. First things first, create your QuickBooks Online account. Simple, right? Now, log into your QuickBooks Desktop as an admin. Ready for some keyboard magic? Press Ctrl+1 to open the product info, then Ctrl+B followed by Q, and hit OK. A pop-up will appear. Click Get Started and choose Bring all your company data. Then click Continue. If you're tracking inventory, select Yes, enter the start date for FIFO, and press Next. Already have an online account? Just select Yes, Sign Me In, and log in. Now choose your company file and click Export. Take a coffee break while you wait for the email confirmation that your data has transferred. Once you receive it, jump into QuickBooks Online. Compare the profit and loss reports under the Reports section, setting the date range to All Dates and type to Accrual. Run the report and make sure the revenue and net income match your desktop data. Lastly, don't forget to connect your bank and adjust your settings. And voila, you're all set with QuickBooks Online.